How to add countdown timer on your Wix website. So from the main page of Wix, I've just clicked on edit site and this has taken me to the Wix website editor. So if we want to add a countdown timer, then we will use the search bar here. And if we click on it, then it will appear and we want to search for Wix countdown. And I will show you how we can set this up as well. So we want to use this application here, Wix Countdown Clock. It's the official Wix application. And we will just click on open and then we have to click on add to site. And of course we have to confirm the installation of the application itself as well. So it's going to look like this. And now we have it on our website. So how can we set this up? So as soon as we left click on it, we will see settings right above it. And we want to click on settings here. And we can choose to set the countdown. So add a countdown clock to your site in a click. So if we set it, then here is the end date. So for example, it will be April 1st. If you click on April, you can change the month, same for the day and the year. And here we can choose the time zone as well, and the hour, as well as the minute here. So counter setting. So as soon as this countdown ends, we can either do nothing or we can customize a message. And here we will need to go to the text tab if we want to customize the message itself. But basically you will see days. If you want to change this to something else, you can do test. And as you can see, we changed the days to test here. Same goes for hours, minutes, and the text itself, we can do you win, for example, and this will appear as soon as the countdown ends. And we can also change the design here. The background color, we can make it lighter, we can make it pink or purple and other colors as well here. And we can also change the font of the text itself here. And basically that's it. We can choose a specific style here directly from these two options. And like I said, if you just change this to August, for example, as you can see, it automatically adjusts the days for it. So that's how we add a countdown timer on your Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.